Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca in case you're new here. So this vlog, or let's say this video, is just going to be about how I spend my day in Nigeria. Of course my day started like 4 hours ago. It's 6 a.m. right now. 6 a.m. in Nigeria, but I'm still using Nigerian time. My body is yet to adjust, so I still wake up the normal time Malaysia wakes up. Malaysian morning time. So I woke up like 2 a.m. or so, and I was able to get few work done. So now I'm just going to start my normal day again at 6 a.m. Okay, so I just finished shaving my bed. Just going to get ready. Hey guys, so I just finished my prayer now. Like, I totally forgot I have prayer meeting today, so I just finished my prayer. Thank God I was able to do at least 1 hour work. So I've ordered taxi, and my taxi is here, and I'm heading to the supermarket now. I'm going to try as much as possible not to waste or spend so much time at the supermarket, since I couldn't complete the task I wanted to do in the morning.
The real reason, no, has now become a convenient reason to step aside and make the controversies surrounding his marriage.
No face mask, no entry. No face mask, no entry. Let's respect ourselves. Okay. Lemon. Okay. Then what else? Okay. Mixed vegetables for my indomie or spaghetti. Scotch bonnet. Tempted to buy juice, but I think we are going to skip. I need to watch my weight this season, so we skip. It's like I don't have enough strength to overlook this temptation. Vanilla, vanilla, super yogo. Ha, goldo. Okay, I think we are done. I said I'm coming here to buy fruits, buy vegetables, but it seems like it's ice cream we end up by using all my money to buy ice cream and juice. But I'll try not to buy so many unnecessary things. Okay, I think I need to buy some snacks. Okay. Take this one and this one also. Whew. Oh my god, guys, see the way I'm panting. It's because I took stairs. Let me first remove this face mask. I just go back and I think I'm just going to quickly do some work first before I cook. So the things I bought, they're like around, if you're in Nigeria, around 13,000 naira, which is about 100 ringgit in Malaysia and about $30 or $25. So which is really cheap for the things that, I mean, I was very like checking everything I was picking, not to, I don't want to waste money. And I don't want to buy so many things because I'll soon be leaving Abuja, hopefully by God's grace. So guys, let me even juice too. But first I'm hungry. I need to eat. This is the meat pie I bought. This is the problem buying snacks, especially meat pie outside. You find it hard to see meat. I can't see meat inside it. What is this? It's more of onions and carrots. Can you imagine? Something that I make almost all the time. Anyways, so guys, one thing I've learned in this Nigeria, especially if you come to sane states. When I mean sane states that their head is still correct. Because of that Lagos, let me not say something's wrong with them, all of them. So if you come to states like Abuja or even Ibadan or any other state, just form that you are speaking phonics, you are speaking phone English. Just change that your accent small. If you change your accent small, people will respect you, eh? I've been using this trick since I got to Abuja. Like, instead of greeting normal good morning, let me clear my throat. Instead of saying good morning, just say good morning, good morning, good morning, hi. Can I have this? How much is this? Like, how much is this? Oh, okay, thank you. Just form those English. Hey, if you see the way people respect you. Like, when I went to the supermarket, just because I formed small English, if you see somebody was like, okay, I should take trolley. When I finished, the cashier that was attending to me, it was speaking nicely, unusual, in an unusual way. And then when I finished paying for the things I bought, somebody came to carry my stuffs to the car. Something that cannot happen on a normal day. We are speaking normal English. Oh, this now our normal English that I'm speaking. It cannot happen. And I think I experienced that in Lagos last year also. Even when you go to the bank, form for ne, because if you don't form for ne, all those girls that this yellow purple girls, they'll be, if you are talking to them, they won't even look at you. If you're talking to them, they won't look at you. They might not answer you very well. When I went to the bank, I switched to for now. I said good morning. I want to have my account statement printed. Like, the girl head just reset straight and started talking to me normal. Okay, then I asked how many minutes is it gonna take? Say like 30 minutes. I said, please, I need it in about 15 minutes. Can you please speak to the manager that I need it early? I need to use it for something urgent. And she said, okay, I will talk to him. I'm like, oh, if you speak normal English, they will not answer you. So, anyways, I've given you guys tip. This is a tip. If you come to Nigeria, don't do our normal Nigerian thing. Oh. Speak phone places where needed, yo. If you can't speak phone with people that wants to take money from you, you pay extra. Oh. So, anyways, I'm just going to eat now, relax for about 10 minutes, then go back to my work. When I'm done, then I will go and prepare my vegetable soup. And that's it.
A few moments later.
It's super super hot. Really, really hot. The weather. Can you imagine? As of last week, I was complaining that Abuja is too cold because it was raining. Now that it's not raining, it's super hot. Anyways, I need to start cooking. I'm boiling my pork now. Guys, pork is the most tasty. Is there any word like tastiest meat in the whole world? If you guys don't know, sorry for those of you that don't eat pork, sorry, but pork is really, really tasty. If I'm not careful, I can finish it right now. So let me just take my eyes off it. Yeah. It's open.
Is that part of people staying in the house?
Mm.
House done?
Keeper. So guys, I just finished cooking. I couldn't show you guys everything I was doing because the kitchen was really hot and if I should continue vlogging, I think it's going to take me the whole night to just cook one soup. So I'm done now. I'm going to start eating. This is not my night food though. It's not my night food. Let me show you guys what I'm eating. So I made gari, and this is the vegetable I made with pork meat. I used plenty pork meat and turkey. So I have like 2 pork meat here. Is it even 2 or 3? Okay, 2 with smoked catfish. So I'm going to eat this one now, and then after eating, just what's this fruit called? I've forgotten. um Grapes. Can you imagine? So this is grapes. I'm going to eat grapes after eating the swallow, or I just eat simultaneously, and that's it. So guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. This is actually one of the vlogs or video I find really interesting. I don't know why. So if you find the vlog interesting, just go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video.